See a throw the red. Take a throw.
Bad light, man, bad light. It's actually man done. Tonight, that's long, man. They get too blood clot. Too long. They too long. 15, they too long to start the blood clot game. Buckle of water, you know, to some melon.
No, go on, man. You out good?
Yeah, man.
Aye.
You mean, ignorant fuck? No pussy test. You don't know that. No pussy test. Manal.
Aye. One love.
Yes, Russ.
Okay.
That's the game that was Irene.
Yeah. Think I in a 2 or 3 part this might be. Yeah, yeah. Aye. How old are you now, kid? How old are you now? 15. Play for your school team? You train with them? Your school? You don't play none at all with your school? Oh, why don't you try to train with them or something?
I don't know.
Go try to train with them and see if you can make the team, man. You never know. Just go there when you go to school tomorrow.
Yeah.
When you go to school tomorrow, they have a football team.
Alright.
And just try to train with them. Tell them you want to try out. Because you think you're better than most of them. Just have that confidence. And ask them for the coach. They want to have a tryout. I think I can make this. And see what he says. Tell me next week what's going on.
Okay.
Alright? Next week when you come back, you tell me you start training. And Timmy, Sean, you thinking can make in school side?
Oh, him.
Yeah. And that means I'm going to try to talk to the coach tomorrow. Test in school, man, see if you can make it.
Alright, Rafa. Boy, the game is nice, though. I'm not lying, Sean. I enjoy it.
Yeah, man, nice rain ball.
Enjoy it. This is finishing with this today. We have to put that something rough. Rest.
Rough.
So, like, you know, my injury still